City. I don't know if you can see it up there, but we have a balloon in sight for this special tour today. And welcome to 1034 Gleneagles Drive. This is Bobby Lewis with the Lewis team at Remax by the Lake. Bobby and Julie Lewis, we've been top producers here in Lake Havasu City for well over 20 years now. Now this is a sneak peek look. So they've just moved out and we haven't had a spot cleaned yet. But I wanted to get you in before anyone else had seen this home because it's a good one. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, over 2,200 square feet, almost 2,300 square feet, and over 1,100 square foot garage. Gas cooking here in Gleneagles. Beautiful kitchen, lots of recessed lighting and skylights. The door real quick, take you on through. Big, great room. Although it's a 3-bedroom, it's really a 4-bedroom. We just don't have a closet in this room or a door, but that can be easily remedied. So this is your rear den, office, family room overlooking the pool. And again, we haven't got the cleaners in yet. You'll notice surround sound throughout the home, all kinds of extras. We'll be out to the pool last and a built-in barbecue out there we'll show you. But you get a good view of this great room from here. And the breakfast bar. You can envision a family sitting here at Christmas. Basically 2 wings of the house, split bedroom floor plan. So this is bedroom 2 and 3. Bedroom has some character. Really nice paneled wall here. The closets are mirrored. Hello, Paul. Looking outside, there are beautiful homes that surround this property. Now, bathroom 2 and 3, this is your hall bath here. Shower tub and all tiled. This is bedroom 2, I would say. This would be your second master if you wanted to use it that way. Suite bathroom in here, and you can look out the windows here and just look at how beautiful the homes are that surround. Another mirrored closet. Look at that linen. So linen and another linen here. Deep and good size. go over to the master bedroom. Like the master, it sits right off the pool. Has a fantastic view of the mountains over the pool. You'll see here in just a moment. If you can quite see the mountain view there, but it's striking in person. Good size as well. Talk about day spa-like. Master bath. Soaking tub, rolling tub. And of course, my Julie Lewis. I don't know about Julie Pouget on our team, if she is closet envy as well, but Julie Lewis would definitely love this closet. So let's go look at that garage now. And something, when you watch our videos, if you have comments or questions about the house or anything real estate related, just shoot us a message down in the comments. We'll get right back to you. We'll always respond. As you can see, this is the 1,100 plus square foot garage, epoxy floors, painted floors, beautiful. And down in those comments too, we always put a link. If you're a homeowner in Lake Havasu and would like a market analysis of your property to see what it would sell for in today's market, and not just a Zillow or online estimate, you actually get that too when you put your address in. But we put together a comprehensive report using our knowledge of the market and recent comps in your neighborhood, so you get something you can really rest assured is accurate. We love doing this for people for free. And what a great garage, huh? Let's, last but not least, we'll go back through the master. You can go through that den over there as well. Family room. Welcome to your own piece of paradise. Built-in barbecue. Again, we haven't had it cleaned yet, but it's in fantastic shape. The golf course, I don't know if you can see it, but it's right over, we're right in the heart of the golf course in Gleneagles. It's actually both sides. I can see a little bit over that way too, past those houses. So although we're not right on the golf course here, it is the heart of the golf course area, Gleneagles. And it's a gated community too, if you were not aware, which is really nice in Havasu. And here's that mountain view. I don't know if you'll see it too well there with this camera. I'll try to put a picture in there for you. But just a fantastic property here in Lake Havasu City. Well, if you like this video, we'd love for you to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Pass it on to any friend you know that might be looking for a home like this in Lake Havasu. We greatly appreciate it. And we hope to see you soon in our piece of paradise, Lake Havasu City. Call the Lewis team, myself, Julie Lewis, Julie Pouget, anyone on our team anytime, and we'll see you soon. Have a great day.